And we have some more inputs coming in on this story now. Ahead of the meeting at 11 a.m., Ajit Pawar flexes his muscles. Stage set for the Pawar meeting. Supporters throng his bungalow. So ahead of the meeting that is scheduled to take place at 11 a.m., Ajit Pawar is flexing his muscles, and in fact his supporters arrived at his bungalow. And they thronged the bungalow, and the stage is all set for Ajit Pawar's meeting today at 11 a.m. We have Vinaya Deshpande joining us on the story. Vinaya, could you tell us more about what are the latest updates on the meeting that is scheduled to take place at 11 a.m.?
Well, yes, while leaders have started gathering at Ajit Pawar's residence in Devgiri, we are here at MET where the meeting is going to take place at 11, and I have with me Sanjay Tatkare, who is present. Please tell us, what is the preparation for the meeting that is going on here?
See, this is the first meeting after Ajit Dada has taken over as Deputy CM in Maharashtra. So he wants to have a dialogue with all his supporters from Maharashtra, and that's why we have gathered here.
You know, all the MLAs have already started gathering at Devgiri. What is the plan there? Is there any meeting that's taking place? How will it pan out?
They will come together here with Ajit Dada and all the leaders. So they will come here in a convoy, and then the meeting will start. So there is nothing special about it.
So here in the meeting, how many MLAs, MLCs, MPs are expected to come?
That we feel that this is an NCP gathering, and all MLAs are expected here. Let's see how many turn up.
Is this a kind of a show of strength, Sunil Tatkare? Because we are seeing that both the sides are in some sense flexing their muscles.
But there are no both sides. Pawar Sahib is still our leader. Ajit Dada has taken a position, and we feel that is the correct position. And let's see, time will tell who turns up where.
Okay, so this was Sunil Tatkare talking about Sanjay Tatkare, who was talking about the preparations that are going on here. We are here at MET. Let us try and show you around what are the preparations that are going on. The chairs have been laid out. Hundreds of karyakartas are expected to turn up here. Right now we are seeing that the stage is already set for the meeting that is going to start at 11. We are seeing that the photos of Sharad Pawar, Ajit Pawar, Praful Patel, Chhagan Bhujbal, Sunil Tatkare have all been put on stage. Quite clearly, the missing photos, as you can imagine, are the photos of Supriya Sule and Jaya Patel. So that is how the preparations of the party meeting are going on here. Huge TVs have been set up and screens have been set up on both the sides so that party workers who gather here will be able to see the action that is happening. Let us also try and see, if there are any leaders who have already come here. Let us try and get a sense from people. कहाँ से आए हैं आप?
बारामती से.
कितने लोगों के साथ आए?
हम 15 लोग हैं इस पूरे.
और क्या कहना है आपका, किसको सपोर्ट है?
सपोर्ट तो राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी को ही है.
लेकिन अभी हम देख रहे हैं, एक तरफ जितेंद्र आव्हाड ने फिर इशू कर दिया है, दूसरी तरफ ये पार्टी है, एक तरफ शरद पवार 3 बजे मिलने वाले हैं. तो आप कहाँ पे हैं?
हम राष्ट्रवादी पार्टी के साथ हैं. हमें उनसे कुछ डिटेल में लेना देना नहीं. पवार साहब और हम अजीत दादा के कार्यकर्ता है दोनों के, और अजीत दादा सीएम हुए, इसके लिए हम प्रार्थना कर रहे हैं, बाकी कुछ नहीं.
तो क्या इसका मतलब ये है कि आप 3 बजे शरद पवार की बैठक के लिए भी जाएंगे?
इधर पवार साहब का भी फोटो है सब जगह पे, और अजीत दादा ने भी डिक्लेयर किया कि पवार साहब ही हमारे राष्ट्रीय नेता है. तो इधर पार्टी अलग नहीं है किधर.
नहीं, बाकी कोई अलग बात ही नहीं है. 3 बजे आप शरद पवार की बैठक के लिए जाएंगे क्या? हाँ या नहीं?
नहीं, बैठक के लिए नहीं जाए, लेकिन हम अजीत दादा के लिए आए हैं इधर.
So this is very clear, the messages that are coming in from the people here, that they continue to be in support of Ajit Pawar, and that seems to be the consistent message that we are getting from here at MET, where the preparations are in full swing for the supporters of Ajit Pawar, who will slowly start trickling in here in order to have a show of strength, and that is why we are seeing that arrangements are being put in place here at MET in Bandra, where the meeting is expected to start at around 11 o'clock.
All right, Vinaya. Also, just now you spoke to Umesh Patil, who is from the Ajit Pawar camp. But what is pertinent to note is that he said that there are no two groups in NCP and that Sharad Pawar is still our leader.
Well, that is exactly what this party worker I was talking to has also said, that there are no separate camps. It is only one party, that is the NCP, and that they are all together. That is why we have seen that, the most important aspect, that the line that is being told by the Ajit Pawar camp is that there is no split in the party. In fact, even yesterday when we were speaking to Praful Patel, that is exactly what Praful Patel also said, that there was no split, that there was only one party, and that Ajit Pawar, had said that Sharad Pawar will continue to be the party president, national president, and that Sunil Tatkare has been appointed as the state president. We are talking to various party workers here. Let us try and understand from them as well. ताई, आप कहाँ से आई हैं?
नासिक से आई।
कहाँ से आई हैं?
नासिक से।
और क्यों आई हैं? आज के लिए क्या प्रायोरिटी है?
यहाँ पर बुलाया गया था, आज सभी को बुलाया गया, इसलिए हम आए हैं।
तो यहाँ पे आज क्या होगा? कुछ वोटिंग होगा या मीटिंग होगी या क्या होगा?
वो तब तय होगा, जो होगा फिर हम ऐसा करेंगे।
आपका पूरा नाम बताइए और आप पक्ष की पदाधिकारी हैं क्या, ये बताइए।
जी, मैं कॉर्पोरेटर हूँ, नासिक में विरोधी पक्ष नेता कविता ताई करडक, नासिक महानगर पालिका।
और 3 बजे शरद पवार ने बैठक बुलाई है, क्या उसके लिए भी आप जाएंगे?
जी नहीं, हम अजीत दादा के समर्थन में आए।
तो क्या आप समझे कि पूरी तरह से 2 कैंप हो चुके हैं एनसीपी में?
हो चुके हैं।
तो आपका सपोर्ट किस कैंप को है?
अजीत दादा के कैंप।
So here you are, party workers telling us that they clearly understand that there are 2 camps within the NCP and that they have come here in order to support Ajit Pawar. So the reactions as well on the ground are quite telling. In fact, this is indicative of the kind of confusion that the party cadres have in their own minds. We have seen in the last 2 to 3 minutes, we have spoken to different party workers. One said that there was no split in the party and that they are here for Ajit Pawar and Sharad Pawar. The other saying that there is a clear split and they have come here only to support Ajit Pawar. They will not go for the 3 p.m. meeting. So this is the kind of public sentiment that we are seeing. We'll also try and have a word with other women leaders of the NCP who have come here. कहाँ से आई हैं आप ताई? आपके बारे में बताइए।
पिंपरी चिंचवड, रावेत।
क्या आप पार्टी के पदाधिकारी हैं?
जी मैडम, हम पार्टी के पदाधिकारी हैं। हम पिंपरी चिंचवड से आए हैं और यहाँ पर हम अजीत दादा को सपोर्ट करने के लिए आए हैं। हम ये मानते हैं कि जो भी अजीत दादा ने सोचा है, जो भी अजीत दादा ने आगे जाके करने के लिए महाराष्ट्र के लिए सोचा है, वो अच्छा ही सोचा है और उस बात का हम पूरी तरह से सपोर्ट करते हैं। पूरा पिंपरी चिंचवड हमारा अजीत दादा के साथ में है।
ओके, थैंक यू। लाइव